Yeah, we'll be looking at a very exciting app. It's called the Capcut. This is Capcut. You hit on Capcut and it takes you here. If you are opening Capcut for the first time, it will not show you these previous saved projects. I've done a lot of editing. That's why you could see this. If you have not opened it, if you have never used it, you will not see all this. Now, the CapCut can be used for editing videos, for editing photos, for designing graphic designs, for making graphic designs, and a lot of other stuff. If you want to check out what CapCut can be used for, you click on this expand, and then you'll find the other features. We have the photo editor, the camera, AutoCut, product photos, AI poster, AI model, text to image, retouch, auto captions, teleprompter, remove background, image enhancement, and as a matter of fact, some other hidden features, which I'm going to show you through this training. Now, it is important to note that the CapCut app uses the internet. You can actually use it offline, you can use it online as you want. But if you don't switch on your internet, there are certain features that will not be functional. So if you want to do simple videos, cut, paste, and put music on the background, all that, you may not necessarily need the internet. But then there are some things that you do using the CapCut that will require the internet.